This video will show you how to use the Smeg Multi Milk Frother. The Multi Frother has 9 functions and is so versatile for a wide variety of drinks. Today we're going to be using milk to explore the functions, but please take a look at our other videos for more inspiration on what else you can create with the Smeg Multi Milk Frother. To get started, firstly select your milk. Whole milk froths the best, but this machine can froth any milk, including oat and nut milks. Remove the lid and attach the whisk into the carafe. The notched whisk is for frothing, either hot or cold, and the smooth whisk is for heating without producing foam. Next, pour cold milk into the carafe. The minimum and maximum levels of liquid are indicated within the carafe. There is a different maximum level for frothing and heating milk. This level is to indicate any additional ingredients, such as chocolate shavings. Replace the lid and select the function. Press start on the selection dial and the programme will begin. To add any powder during the cycle, it's possible to remove the measuring cap from the lid. This can also be used as a measure for adding liquids into the mix. Allow the programme to run until completed. It will switch off at the end of the cycle. Pour out the milk and enjoy. For details on how to clean the Multi Milk Frother, please see our other video linked in the description. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.